Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here in this question, the given speed bump has a cosine contour which can be represented by equation y is equals to h 1 plus cos, 1 plus cos pi x by b, where x is the height of the bump, b is the width of the bump, and x is the distance from the left hand to the bump. The vertical acceleration is given by a is equals to minus g sine pi x by b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, and we are given that vertical acceleration at point g should be equal to acceleration due to gravity. So we have equation g is equals to minus g sine pi x by b. Since solving for h, we get 4g pi vb square, where v is the speed of the car, and if b is equals to 1 and v is equals to 20 kilometer per hour, h is equals to 4g into pi into 20, 4g into pi into 20 into 5 by 18 whole square, and that comes out to be 0.281, and therefore the height of the speed bump that will produce a vertical component of acceleration at capital G of small g at car speed of 20 kilometers per hour is approximately 0.281 meters. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.